Oh my god, it worked so good.
Hell yeah.
Look at that. Not even a minute. We have the Man Overboard with the sails up. Okay? This method fucks, man. This method fucks. In high winds like this. Okay. So, what I'm gonna do is basically after I have a Man Overboard, I'm just gonna tack. It's a really good first instinct because you tack, you stay close to the Man Overboard, you might throw him a line, but I'm also gonna tack and kick the boat in reverse, so I stay upwind of the Man Overboard and the wind just pushes me to the side. Right now if I turn the engine is not powerful enough to stop the boat's forward momentum because we're just too fast. But with the Heave-To, when you're doing 3 knots, it might just do it. On this boat, if I'm honest, I don't think we will, because we're just too strong and just too fast. Okay, but I'll try my best. Let's see if it works.
You're gonna tack and then we can let out the mainsail.
I'll explain everything and let you guys know what to do. But even if I fail, I can still start my Man Overboard under sail approach after that. And probably what I will do is I will go on a broad reach to come back on a close reach. Okay? And when I'm going on a broad reach, it's gonna be very easy for you guys to furl the head sail. So I will let you know, furl the fucking head sail, and you need to do it fast. Okay? And one person stays and points. Okay? Alright, let's do it. Can you throw the Man Overboard?
Get back there.
Yep. Man Overboard! Shit! Breathe! Okay? What I'm doing right now is I'm going a little bit up downwind just so my Heave-To could be a little bit better. Okay? Ready for a Heave-To? Heaving-To, turning on the engine. Okay, get ready for pickup on port side. Take the boat hook. Look at that. You see my Heave-To? You see how slowly I am just drifting towards the Man Overboard? And what I'm gonna do now, kick the engine in reverse so I slow down. Let out main. Oh my god, it worked so good.
Hell yeah.
Look at that. Not even a minute. We have the Man Overboard with the sails up. Okay? This method fucks, man. This method fucks. Okay? And even if we did miss him, I go on a broad reach now and send it. Huh? Everybody understood this one? I was just upwind of him and the wind is just pushing me downwind like this so I can catch him.